Guys, this story is mind-boggling and it's going to shock you to the core. So hang in there with me. So, hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a story that's raising eyebrow and sparking heated debate all over the UK. So get ready because this one is truly mind-boggling. Now, a Jamaican drug dealer. This man previously got jail for supplying Class A drug. And this man is allowed to remain in Britain after him promised to only smoke cannabis and not sell it. Despite having the man having served time and the Home Office appealing the initial ruling, the decision to allow him to stay has been upheld. So guys, let's dive into the detail because I know you want to hear everything. Now, the Jamaican drug dealer, the man go to England in 2002 and the man was convicted and jailed for supply Class A drugs. Initially, a deportation order was issued. Now, the dealer appealed the deportation, citing the impact on him 3 picnic and wife. The immigration tribunal ruled in his favor, allowing him to stay. The dealer stated he would only smoke cannabis, not sell it. Now, if he's going to smoke it, that means he must buy it from a dealer. That means that it's the ripple effect. It keeps going on and on. Now, the decision has been heavily criticized. Notably, figures have called the ruling mind-boggling and appalling. The dealer appealed under one article where they have Article 8 of the European Convention on Human Rights, protecting the rights of family life. Something is wrong with this. Protecting, because him not protect for him family. Him leaving it to the judge and the courts to protect his family when he should be the head of the household and not protecting family. The judge cited the 2002 Immigration Act, which allows individuals with sentences under 4 years to stay if them have genuine relationship with them qualified children. The fact that different judges reach conflicting conclusions highlights the subjectivity and complexity of these types of cases. Now, this decision has been met with widespread disbelief. People can't believe, and them angry. The public is angry about it. The sense that the law is failing to protect the community and allowing dangerous individuals to roam freely is real palpable. The judge decision is questionable at best, and frankly, it's difficult to see how the ruling serves the public interest or any notion of justice. The idea that this man, a convicted drug dealer, can avoid deportation simply by promising to only smoke cannabis is ludicrous. How can we trust someone who has already broken the law to not continue reoffending, given that even smoking cannabis is illegal? And him not hide it from the judge and tell the judge the truth. The judge seems to have prioritized the dealer's individual preferences over the safety of the community. This case is really a complex mix of legal interpretation, human rights and public safety, and you can understand the public outrage at the decision. The core of the debate seems to be how far should the right to family life extend when dealing with convicted criminal, especially one with a history of drug offenses. It's not a free pass to be a criminal, and it looks like that's what is going on, because I think this is the second case like this that I have done a video on recently. The judge seems to have missed this very important concept. It is difficult to understand, if not impossible, for the average person on the street to fathom why the judge would value the family need over the safety of the citizens of the country when a man should value him family needs? Is a promise to only consume drug enough to outweigh concerns about potential reoffending, especially considering that cannabis possession itself is illegal? This argument seems to be a loophole, and in the public's mind, the judge appeared to have taken this loophole and ram it in straight through. The fact that different judges reach conflicting conclusions highlights the subjectivity and complexity of these types of cases. The subsequent judge understood the absurdity of the situation and seems to grasp the concept of public safety in relation to the law more. But it feels as though he was too late. The public have already voiced their anger and frustration. The public is understandably stunned. This case feeds the narrative and that criminals have more rights than victims. There's a clear feeling that the system is broken when a drug dealer can essentially buy his way out of deportation by promising to remain within the realms of illegal drug use, as if that somehow makes him less of a threat. So guys, what do you think? This is a just ruling that prioritizes family or a dangerous precedent? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video. If you find it informative, subscribe to the channel for more thought-provoking content. And hit that notification bell so you never miss another update. Guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you back here on my next video.